Notifications can be urgent, or they can be the most ordinary communication when you're chatting with someone and responding to some questions right away. But if you don't receive notifications or they arrive late, then such communication turns into missed tasks and wasted time. So look to resolve this whole situation. Of course, everything may be fine for you anyway, but it's still worth double-checking. Let's say I'll show you on Telegram. Press and hold your finger on the app. It could be another app like WhatsApp, Viber, and so on. Here, tap on the app, then scroll down a bit, and here's the notifications section. I have it now. Yes, as you can see, if we tap here, it shows all the notifications that Telegram itself can send. There really are a lot of them here. And in any other app, the list here is also very long. Just double-check that all the little boxes are checked here to receive your notifications on time. Let's say, look, allow persistent notifications. I have it disabled. For now, that's it, I've enabled it. We can go back. Next step, check your network connections. That is, there may be a delay due to limited access to Wi-Fi or the internet. Look, the boxes are checked, so everything is fine. Click OK and Activity Control. At a minimum, it should be set to Smart Mode. If you have a strict limit, then of course uncheck it. Yes, it will save a little battery life, but you will receive notifications from this app very late. Let's go back. And a mandatory requirement is, of course, clearing your cache, clearing this app. Look, I've already cleared it. That is, the clear button has become this little gray one. You just need to click Clear here, and there you will have the choice, delete data or clear cache. Just click Clear Cache, you can restart your phone, and everything will work fine again. You can do the same with any other app you want to receive notifications through. Yeah,